Hello, my name is Tim Deno with 3D Machine in Goodland, Indiana. We're a mid-sized CNC machine shop with water jet, laser, and fabrication capabilities. We've been in business since 1996 with over 50,000 square feet of manufacturing space. Resell CNC has been a great resource for our shop, allowing us to expand our capabilities at a very competitive price. I've been working with Ali D'Alessandro at Resell CNC since August of 2015. We purchased our first machine from them in January of 2016. Which happens to be the machine right behind me. What I like about Resell CNC is that I've been working with one account manager since I started doing business with them. Here at 3D Machine, our motto is forming partnerships with our customers. Speaking from experience, Resell CNC has that same mindset. Ali knows what machines and features we like and is also aware of other technologies we're looking to get into. She is doing the legwork to locate and bring these specific types of machines to our attention. When buying used equipment, trust and integrity are the first two words that come to mind when working with Ali. For those reasons, Resell CNC is our #1 used equipment source.